Once you have logged into the help desk portal, obviously on the home page here, you'll see a number of options depending on your access. We're going to go over the most common ones. This is a standard user account, so most people will see all of these tiles. But the first thing we're going to talk about is reporting an issue or creating a ticket. So we're going to click on this tile, and you'll see that here you're going to be creating a new ticket. One of the newer functions with this portal is that you can put tickets in on behalf of others. So obviously, if your information is here, it will auto-populate. But let's just say I want to add a colleague, right? Maybe their computer's down, and they're like, "Hey, can you put in a ticket for me?" You can do that, right? And so you have the option of creating tickets on behalf of your colleagues. The next thing you're going to see here is the impact. Is it the whole company affected, multiple users affected, or single user affected? And this is important because this determines the urgency of the issue being created. So in this case, we're going to say I am the only one affected, but I do payroll, right? And so I can still have a high urgency even though it's only me. And we're going to say payroll printer is offline, right? And so this is the summary is the opportunity for you to say, hey, I have an issue that's only impacting me, but it's a really important issue, right? And so we want a summary that essentially outlines what the problem is that you're having, and then any other details here you can add. Getting an error when trying to print. If I can type. Please help. Right? And then you'll notice in the details section here, right, if you have links or anything that you want to add in terms of error codes that you want to paste right into the details, you can do that right here. Another awesome new feature that we have added is the ability to define your asset. In this case, I don't have my payroll printer, but you'll see here if I switch this to site assets, right? Maybe it's not, that printer may not be assigned to me, but maybe it's in my site assets. So you can select your asset. Typically, though, if you've got some printer or computer assigned to you, those items will populate in the asset field here below. Lastly, you'll see here that you can drag and drop files. So you may be able to capture a screenshot and drag that right into this window here, or a file of some sort with an error code. Please be very sensitive about adding files with adding files with sensitive information. We don't want to receive any of those, but certainly if you have any files that are pertinent to the issue that you're creating, you can do that. Once you're done, you click submit, which I'm going to do here. And that's how easy it is to create a ticket.